Throughout the year, we've highlighted several of the All-America selection winners that we have in our display garden this year. One that we'd like to show you today is the Gold in Gold watermelon. We're really impressed with this plant. It's a nice, vigorous grower, high yielding. It's an early maturing variety, but it's a beautiful watermelon. See, it's actually yellow skinned with orange stripes, and then the inside is a really nice yellow gold flesh as well. It's supposed to be high sugar content, so nice and sweet. It's disease resistant and is also resistant to cracking and splitting. Well, we've been watching these. This one looks really good. I think we should open this one up and take a look at it and taste it and see how it is. Oh wow, look at the inside of that. Nice and yellow, golden color. Split that open. This is really nice and sweet. This will be great in a recipe.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.